Hello and welcome to another episode of Laptop Retrospective. I thought I would do this quick little video for you because there are a lot of laptops, specifically Microsoft ones out there, that are starting to use fabrics and other materials to design their keyboards and all that good stuff. This particular keyboard cover is Alcantara. So Alcantara is this fabric that showed up mostly in the automotive industry because of its suede-like feel. Now, one thing about Alcantara, for anyone that's ever spent any time with it, is that it, camouflages itself to its environment. So if its environment are, greasy, oily palms, you'll end up with something that looks like this over time. This particular machine will hopefully be featured on the channel sometime in the near future. I'm currently trying to get it to work, but I thought this would be a good opportunity to show you how to, or at least one method that I have used to clean this sort of fabric. Now, I've already gone ahead and cleaned the inside of the type cover before I started filming. So, principally because I thought about doing the video after I had already cleaned this, thinking, this actually cleaned up really nicely. This would be important to know for anyone buying these devices used. I've left the opposite side unclean, so I can show you kind of a before and after. So what we're going to do is we're going to disconnect it from this unit by simply letting go of the magnet, and then we're going to flip it over, and I'm going to show you the method that I have found that's worked pretty well. So for this, I'm going to be using just a microfiber cloth, and I'm actually going to be using some glass cleaner. So glass cleaner that you would normally use for, glasses. And rather than using the pump, what I'm going to do is take the cloth, put it over top, swish it down once until I've got a small little dab like that. And I'm just going to give it a second to sink into the cloth because I want most of the cleaning solution to stay on the cloth and not actually transfer to the fabric. So once I've waited, aired it out a second, I'm going to go ahead and just do a couple of swipes. And then we're going to take a dry part and just go over it one last time. As you can see, for a first pass, that is already looking considerably better. You can use some soap solutions, but I prefer to use this method because I found the concentration in the glass cleaner to be pretty much just right for removing, I would say 90%. So I'm going to go ahead and do this one more time and then show you the final result. Okay, and as you can see, we've got a much cleaner looking product at the end. We still have a couple of spots, but by and large, that's a huge improvement from the wear marks that we saw previous to that. So we've got a type cover that is now looking considerably newer, considerably cleaner. So if you are looking to sell yours or you're looking to buy one and it's dirty, this might be a great little way to breathe some new visible life into this. And this is something that would work on pretty much any Alcantara fabric-based keyboard. So thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed this sort of content, I'll leave the big four here at the bottom. Like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And I will see you next time.